Thanks Mom Co. sent me the Mary's Stain Remover. This is a mom-owned small business. It was created by pharmacist and mom, and first impressions, the box is adorable. Love that little card. So here you see the stain remover stick. This is artificial, fragrance-free, paraben-free, dye-free. I love that it comes in the little stick method. It's 30 grams. And then this is the base. This is patent pending. So I kind of didn't know what to expect. So here's a little ketchup stain on my son's shirt. The instructions say to add water beforehand, and actually you can see the ketchup kind of started to come through there. So you take the stain remover stick, you rub it on the fabric with the platform behind it, and I wasn't really sure how much to use. I am definitely used to having to oversaturate my stains because it seems like they just really don't come out. And a lot of times I have to grab a toothbrush and just keep scrubbing. But because of this patent pending base, truly, you can see that it's really getting into the fabric. So the instructions say after you've put the stain stick on there, you throw it in the wash just like normal. So remove the base here, toss it in the laundry with other clothes. And I have to tell you, when I pulled it out of the laundry this morning, I couldn't find the stain. This thing really does work like a mother. So if you're looking for a mom-owned business that gives back, 10% of their profits go to charity, grab the Mary's Stain Remover by Thanks Mom Co. I linked it for you down below.